Manila Mayor Hani Lacuna on Tuesday emphasized her side after joining Lakas Christian and Muslim Democrats or Lakas CMD, led by House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Mayor Lacuna said she joined Lakas because its party principles and platform are aligned with her and will ultimately be most gainful for all Manileños. Lacuna, who is also the current president of the local party Ascenso Manileño, said joining the current biggest political party in Congress and the country will certainly boost the programs of her administration has lined up for Manila residents.
Ay binibigyan talaga nila ng prioridad yung kanila pong mga constituent. Yan po nakita ko sa Lakas CMD kasi po talagang wala ho silang tigil ng pagbibigay ng tulong sa atin pong mga kababayan. Testigong buhay po kami ni Vice Yul na kung saan almost every month meron po silang binibigay na tulong sa atin sa pamamagitan po ng iba't ibang mga programa. Mait po, yun po yung nilalagay nilang pondo sa atin pong mga ospital. Lagi po diyang beneficiary ang Santa Ana Hospital at ang Ospital ng Maynila.
Even before mentioning that she will not be ashamed to reach out for help to those who can help her even in private agencies just to provide good services to the Manileños that they saw at the Lakas CMD. Some of the referred help that is being given to them is the Cancer Specialist Center that is being constructed in the Ospital ng Maynila. Lacuna also mentioned her ongoing programs in Manila, including financial assistance to those undergoing dialysis, senior citizens benefits, single parents, medical services, and construction of school buildings.
Maliban pa po dyan sa Kalinga sa Maynila program ay meron po tayong People's Day na kung saan every 2 weeks ay lahat po na lumalapit sa aking tanggapan na humingi po ng tulong medikal ay binibigyan po natin ng tulong medikal. Alam naman po natin na di po sapat na yung mga idinudulog nila sa iba't ibang mga ahensya kaya po yung pondo na ipinapasok sa atin ng PCSO ay doon po natin ginagamit.
Some of the things that the mayor can consider as her flagship program in Manila in her first term as the local chief executive are Kalinga sa Maynila Center and the repairal of several burned markets. Meanwhile, it is said that they have already paid 2.5 billion pesos of the city's debt from the 17.8 billion pesos owed by the previous Manila administration that started them since she took office in 2022. Lacuna served as city councilor and vice mayor before being elected as Manila's first female mayor in 2022. This is Henry Nicolas for EuroTV News.